Welcome to Top Dog Web Designs videos. In this video, we would like to show you how you can edit a transaction that's already entered into the system for your upcoming FCAT trial. We're now looking at the home page for a FCAT trial. This is our demo system that our clubs all have a website. It looks almost exactly like this if they're going to have a FCAT trial. And you'll see that we have a pop-up on the screen. This pop-up appears when entries are open and disappears when they close automatically. You'll also see the public menu here where people who are thinking about entering your trial, or people who have entered your trial, can go and do various things like request a refund or change their entry. The public can go see the results of the trial, request a review, or volunteer. So we want to go look at a record that's already on file, so we have to log in order to do that. So I will click on login and then click on login again with registration information, and the system will bring to the screen the administrative menu for your upcoming trial. So entries are located under entries. So we're going to go to entries and entries admin. You'll now see on the screen a list of all the entries that have come in so far for your upcoming trial. I will go through the headings on the list and what they all mean for you. The ID is a unique number that is assigned to each transaction that comes into the system. The edit button, or the pencil, you can click on this and it will go to the record ready for you to edit it. Then we have the author, which is the person who entered the information. So on most of these transactions, there is no author because it's the public that's doing it. And then we have call name, armband number, registered name, registration number, breed, phone, last name, whether or not they paid, and their PayPal transaction number. Now you will see at times where paid is not marked and there's no PayPal transaction number. This means that the person entered that they didn't go to PayPal and pay. So that will happen sometimes, but we leave these on here in case the wrong individual owner calls. You could search to see if they attempted to enter the trial, but they didn't. So in some cases, you will see that the PayPal transaction number equals mail-in. This simply means that the person mailed in their entry instead of paying through PayPal. So we keep track of these. We also have a DOE for day of event entry, or wait if someone has a wait list entry. Those are not used very often, but we do have them available, and it makes the reconciliation process a lot easier for FCAT trials. So we're back on the first screen and we're going to go edit this first record. So we'll simply click the edit button and the system will bring up the entry form that was used for the individual when they entered this trial. So you can see we have the armband number, we have the handicap information, and the registered name, the call name, the breed, the group is not available. We have the dog is a female registered with AKC in the United States with their registration number, and they did not put in a mailing address, date of birth. So then we have the offspring, or the sire name, the dam name, we have the titles they expect. So if they miss that, you could click on DCAT. Then we have the owner's first name, last name. We have a list of all the owners. This is the element that appears in the catalog, so everyone gets their name mentioned. Then we have the address, city, state, zip, phone number, and their email. And then we also have you'll see these do not have red asterisks by them. They're not required, but if they pay through PayPal, we'd like for them to give us their credit card name, their PayPal user, and their PayPal email address. These are primarily to help us find records if uh, they're wanting a refund. All right, so now we'll click next and go to the next screen. And this will show the entries that this person has made. They did not enter trial 1 or 2, but they did enter trial 3. And in this case, we're going to assign a start time for them, but you do not have to put in start times if you're running a trial where it's come and run when you can. The data that we have on this system right now is one of those trials where the data was just, where they could just go up any time. But we wanted to show you how the entrant can go in and select the block, time, and position they want to run in. This makes things tremendously easier for the club because you do not have to go and assign any heats and run times. We primarily see when they leave that blank and just let them come and run whenever they want. We do that when your FCAT trial is running as part of a larger weekend event, like a confirmation event where they may have 1,000 entries. It's hard to get over to the FCAT tent to do your FCAT, so we can allow them to come and run whenever they want. We then have the fees so far, or the fees for the entries, and this one's indicated as paid, and they would click here to save and pay. So we're not going to do that at this point because this record is already on file. You would then simply click next, and the record would be saved. So this is a basic video of how you can go in and see who is entered and make changes on the entries as necessary. So we appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at topdogwebdesigns.com. Ask your questions. We will get back and answer them. And you can also sign up for a complete demo of the system, and we'd be happy to do that at any time. So we want to thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day.